Now, as far as sending these videos, like we recorded a video, we got it on a landing page, how do we throw it into an email and send it pretty quick? So what you can do is you open up a Compose. This is Gmail. You can do it for Outlook 365 as well. Again, we talked about it, video in the subject line. Now, if I want to add a video in here, I can do a couple things. This right here, this little Dubb button down here, appears down here because we have the Dubb Chrome extension screen recorder right up here at the top. See it appear this little Dubb symbol? What is the Dubb Chrome extension screen recorder? It's what records videos that look like this. Anything browser-based that you can record on your screen. That's what that is. So when we have that, this little button shows up down here in Gmail, and in Outlook 365, it's off to the right in add-ins. And this gives us a little shortcut to add a video in. So what happens is when you click in here, you click the little button down the bottom, and immediately I can do a bunch of things here. I can record a video, that webcam video that we recorded earlier, I can record that right now from inside the email and drop it right in if I want to. If I go tab, I can put myself on the screen, like we'll see in a little bit. I can even turn my camera off and I can choose a video from my video library down over here to the bottom right. So if I have this video I want to add here, I go in here, I click advanced options. I put the email in of the person I'm sending it to because I want to get that advanced tracking. I can even add a little personalization text and then I can pop the video in and there it is. And I'm able to send it right from within the email client. Now, every video that you save into Dubb always has a big blue share and send button. So if you didn't want to use the shortcut that I just showed you, you can pull up a video inside of Dubb, click share and send, put the email in for tracking, the person you're sending it to, add a little personalization if you'd like, click copy for email, and then now it's just a copy and paste, and you drop it in just like that. So pretty easy to send, either shortcut or you copy and paste and you drop it in.